Whether you daily shave or just like to leave a bit of scruff, Manscaped continues to set the bar for men's grooming standards with their new Chairman Pro electric foil shaver with 4 blades in one. Every decision about it is meant to enhance your experience, and oh boy, it does enhance. With 2 interchangeable SkinSafe blade heads, starting off with the SkinSafe 4-blade foil, offering a close and smooth shave for a completely clean look. Or swap it out for the SkinSafe stubble trimmer. It helps reduce razor burn and irritation, leaving your skin feeling smooth and comfortable, which helps reduce redness and discomfort as well. Combine that with their FlexAdjust technology, which is really what makes the Chairman Pro stand out from the rest, and ensures a superior shave by allowing the blade and the pivoting head to adapt to the unique contours of your face and neck. It doesn't end there though. You can flip on the precision lock on the right side of the bracket with 3 angles to choose from, locking it in place to avoid unwanted movements to get the hard to reach spots that others aren't able to. Oh, and yeah, it's still waterproof with its IPX7 rating, which simply means you can multitask and shave in the shower for up to 30 minutes. In use, you can pair the Chairman Pro shaver with Manscaped's new Power Shave Gel for an even smoother and more comfortable shave, as it's dermatologist approved for sensitive skin too. The Face Shave Soother is Manscaped's aftershave serum to hydrate the skin and calm any post-shave irritation. A must-have to reduce redness and prevent ingrown hairs and razor bumps too. You've got everything you need to take your grooming game to the next level.